Here we are. Ecco qua. You see me? This is... see? Okay, let's go outside with a very, very strong daylight. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, this garden. Okay, there is a lot of very strong light. We are in the morning, so the light is very strong. Okay, let's see if I change place, if exposition follow me and focus. Yes, I know that. This is Ace Pro 2. Okay, let's go over the step. See, I go up. Let's go. I go up. Ecco qua. I walk. So there is no wind, so I want to test the audio. When I move, a little wind there is. So here there is a lot of wind. So with the internal mic, I want to understand if it is good with the wind. There is a very strong wind here. Not very strong, but enough strong. So let's go down with the step. Ecco qua. Hope you get to see me, but I have to put on sunglasses because otherwise the light is so strong in Rome, here in Italy, and so in the morning, with the sunglasses it is better. You see, it's good. I look like Ringo Starr, yes. But I don't play drums. I play that. Understand? That's it. You see, it's very important. This is internal, and when you turn, it is immediately skipped, and this is very important. You know, with this little camera, you can make real movie. I see a lot of videos on YouTube with people, video makers that have very, very expensive camera, and they make a very, very good job, but they are too much aesthetic. Sorry, my English pronunciation. Why a movie? It is not to be only aesthetic. It must have content, a very good acting from actors. That's what it is important. The aesthetic is the last thing, because if you are too much concentrated on the video quality, aesthetic, white balance, all this stuff, you lose the content, or you distract the actor acting. I think like this. There are plenty of movies, very important movies, where aesthetic is not so important, but actors are so good and the content are so important that aesthetic it is not so important. Understand? So let's make content, good acting. I'm not an actor. I work with actor but I'm video maker. But if you work with actors, don't distract them with aesthetic, but make your work and let them free to act freely. That's my point of view. Okay. Hope you liked this video. Bye.